Today we're going to install pygame and we'll start right now. What's up everybody, my name is Ali, welcome to my channel. First of all, you have to download and install Python. I made a video for that and I will drop the link in the description. Once you install Python, go to your search bar and type cmd and open command prompt. We're going to check the version of Python with typing python --version and pressing enter. You see I already have Python version 3.8.2 and now we're going to check the pip version with typing pip --version. You see I also have pip and now we're going to install pygame with typing pip install pygame and pressing enter. It collects pygame and install that. After some seconds, you will see this successfully installed pygame version 196. It's the latest version of pygame. To check the installation of pygame, type python and press enter. Then type import pygame and again press enter. If you don't get any errors and see this pygame version 196 and this hello from the pygame community, the pygame is installed on your system successfully. Close that command prompt. For using pygame and making games with that, you have to set up a text editor. I don't recommend PyCharm because it has some problems with importing and working with pygame. I recommend Sublime Text. It's so good for making games. And I made a video for setting up Sublime Text and I will drop the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.